You've had Marry Me chicken, but you've never had it like this. Creamy chicken, garlic bread, Italian style SOS. This one shouldn't work, but it really does. I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel. In this recipe, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to make a Marry Me chicken, Italian SOS style. It's a creamy chicken sauce on garlic bread. Let's do it. Round up a high-sided saucepan, crank the burner up to medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, that's roughly about 30 milliliters. To that, you'll add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, that's approximately 28 grams. Melt the butter down. For this recipe, I cubed 2 chicken breasts, total weight 1.5 pounds or 680 grams. Before you fry these guys up, spank on some black pepper and add a dash of salt. Once the oil's hot, drop in the chicken. Fry the chicken up until it has an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 Celsius. That should generally take about 7 or 8 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan. Cover the chicken with foil, put it to the side while you make your Marry Me chicken sauce. And don't worry, the chicken will stay warm. It only takes a matter of minutes to make this sauce. You still have a lot of oil in the bottom of the pan. If you don't, you can always add additional butter or olive oil. Put your burner over medium heat and add half of a large shallot that's been finely chopped. Drop in half of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Next, you'll add half of a teaspoon of dried basil and half of a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves. If you use powdered thyme, just put a dash. I'm keeping this recipe simple, that's why I'm going with dried herbs, but if you'd like to use fresh, go for it. It's homemade, you can make it how you like it. Watch the heat, you definitely don't want to burn this. Cook it for a minute or so until the shallots are soft. Whenever the shallots are soft, I like to turn off the heat. For this Marry Me chicken recipe, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of diced sun-dried tomatoes. That's about 4 sun-dried tomatoes or 40 grams. Next up to bat, 3 minced cloves of garlic. Turn your burner back on to medium-low. Give it all a quick stir and cook for about 1 minute or until the garlic is fragrant. Turn your heat to low and add half of a tablespoon or 8 grams of tomato paste. Mix it in really well and cook for 30 seconds. Oh boy, and you can smell the flavors coming up off of this. Next step, pour in 3/4 cup or 188 milliliters of chicken stock. Take your spatula, scrape the sides and bottom of the pan. You want to get all of those bits and pieces, that's the fond and flavor, up off the bottom of the pan. To that, you'll add 3/4 cup or 188 milliliters of heavy cream, also called whipping cream or double cream. Cook over medium heat for about 2 minutes or until it becomes thick. Frequently stir. Whenever the Marry Me chicken sauce starts to bubble like this, very well pronounced, and whenever you stir and it leaves trails like that, you know that you're good to go. The sauce should be thick enough. At that point, you can turn the heat off and add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. One tablespoon or 14 grams of unsalted butter. Give that a quick stir. Oh yeah, that's looking good. And then add a dash of balsamic vinegar. Stir it in. Now you can bring that chicken back and add it to the mix. Crank the heat up to low just to warm that chicken back up slightly. And boy, is this looking good. Wow. This is definitely an I do. And would you look at that? You have an easy, rich, and creamy Marry Me chicken. You can put this over your traditional pasta or put it on rice, or you can do it my way. You can load it up on garlic bread for an Italian-style SOS gravy. Before you put it on that garlic bread, it's a good idea to give it a quick taste. See if you need to adjust the seasoning. Oh, I do. Only thing left to do, take that garlic toast out of the oven and smother it with this Italian-style SOS gravy. I want to give a shout out to Abbialo 2010 for recommending an easy Marry Me chicken. Thank you so much for the suggestion. I hope that it hits the spot. And if anybody else out there has suggestions for recipes, please leave them in the comments. Be happy to see what I can do. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Hope that you found this Marry Me chicken recipe helpful and you give it a shot over garlic toast for an Italian-style SOS gravy. And if you're not quite sure what SOS gravy is, check the comments. I'm sure there'll be a few kind comments to fill you in. Thanks again for watching, and remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next time, keep whisking, y'all.